Second or third place finish, I don't even know where we finished, but a second in points. It stings, but Cole did a great job, man. They did a fantastic job. I'm proud of the 00 team. Proud of Sam. Proud of all of our junior motorsports Camaros. Just came up a little bit short. I wanted to get our Grant 70th anniversary Platinum Edition car into victory lane tonight, but it just wasn't meant to be. Obviously, there was as fast as the Phoenix NG. We weren't quite there, but we'll see what. We got a lot of momentum in the off season. We can build on this, and we'll go to next season and come out strong.
Just it out there. Come out strong next year after a second place run.
So it is my honor on behalf of the hundreds of thousands of Comcast teammates across the country to congratulate Stuart Haas, Ford, the entire 00 team, and of course to the 2023 NASCAR Xfinity Series Champion, Cole Custer.
Now time for the hardware. Cole Custer, for the first time in his career, gets to hold the Xfinity Series Championship trophy.
Don't drop it.
Cole, how about this? You get to hold the trophy. You said you had something to prove. What did you prove about yourself tonight?
Man, I feel like with this team, we can do anything.
I think that his level of maturity, and especially on that last restart, to hit the outside and then to get the 7 car on the outside of him, cars on the inside, and the chaos in 1 and 2. But it's actually nice. Maybe the Truck Series drivers will pay attention and learn something from tonight. And you don't have to destroy each other to win races and championships. But I'm super proud of Cole. He literally won that one on his own. I watched the replay 4 times and I still don't know exactly what he did, but what he did was perfect. I mean, it didn't look good going into 1, but coming off of 2, whatever he did in the center 1 and 2 was perfect, and then finished it off in 3 and 4. So really proud of this Haas Automation team, and Cole did.
Championship competitors in an overtime finish at the Phoenix Raceway.
Alright, that's the end of the Xfinity race. Cole Custer is your winner and your 2023 Xfinity Series champion. So that's going to do it for this Xfinity race here on Saturday. We're back tomorrow for the Cup Series. Special day planned. VIP passes again. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.